Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. This one is especially for all the Notion fans out there. If you love Notion as much as I do, you definitely don't want to miss this. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to connect your AI agent with Notion. Once we're done, your AI agent will be able to do things like search, read, and write directly in your Notion workspace. All right, let's dive in. First, let's log in to the Notion and go to Setting. In the Setting page, click Connections. Scroll all the way down. You will find a button called Develop and Manage Integrations. Click that and it will lead us to the integration page. Click New Integration here. Now choose the workspace that you want to connect to and pick a name for it. You can call it whatever you like. I will just go with AgentX Integration 2 since AgentX Integration is already taken, and save it. All right, now you can see that we have successfully created a secret token here. You can copy it now and we will use it later. Now let's click Access tab here to set up the correct permission. You can pick any page you want and give your AI agent access to it. I will just choose the home page so that it can access to everything in it. Now let's go back to AgentX dashboard. In the workspace, click New and create a single agent. I will call it Notion Agent. Let's give it an avatar. Perfect. While for demo purpose, we will just leave everything as is and go ahead, click Create an Agent button. Cool. Now let's go to Tools tab and find Notion MCP under Featured MCP list. Click plus button to install. Now you can copy and paste the token that we just created from Notion to here. Okay, and click Check MCP Server. You can see the list of tools has shown up. It includes all the tools that your AI agent is able to use in order to operate your Notion. Now let's click and save it. And your agent is successfully equipped with Notion MCP. Pretty easy, isn't it? Let's check it out how it performed. We will ask the agent to write a joke about growth in the growth page. What we expect the agent to do is to first search the page named growth and get the page ID. And then use the page ID to fetch all the blocks in the page. At last, insert a joke into the last block of content. Okay, looks like it has used all three tools. That's good. Now let's go ahead and check in the Notion. Perfect, it works. That's it. Hope you guys like it. As always, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave comments if you have any questions, and I will see you next time.